Hello, hoi Spain zo se muntena tunin part 3 na percentage an khor ki hin na tunia vet ding che question aban ha deu an taf deu an ve ki hin na e mas Spain wa vet deu question chu hi le question hi a hin Chua question say chu men spend 75% of his income ati hana income chu zakhat le som segi le nga so spend do hi aman hi his income increases by 20% and increases expenditure by 62.3% na his savings will then be increased by ati hana question chun ha do chun le formula khat min na income chu ipitu ki bangam tele expenditure plus savings na ji income formula he na le chi manga hi khodo di we na suppose income hi chu ai 100 ti tawte le expenditure to 75 spend here na le 75 le chu ai 25 from the savings na savings 25 ding go mas total as 100 di na to hi ipm income hi akale ti so mizana 20% na le 20% of 100 chu za de 20 hi na le zakat chu zani le songma hi ngi de cheng le chuma banga chu expenditure yong chu izana kalam plus 62/3% na 62/3% chu izat hitai ti we 1/15 negative chu na 1/15 or 75 chu izana chi 5 chi na 5/25 aile 75 plus 5 hungi di that means 80 hungi di he aile 120 in income expenditure 80 le zeni minus le som gu mu na sorry 40 na 40 zo 40 mu in hi chu a new a saving a tha ngi di ale to ko na chu saving lui chu 25 in 40 new saving in na ale to chu saving hi increase is an increase am ti na ale percentage increase ado hi ale chu iti whole ham to 40 minus 25/25 iti le chu answer chu percentage increase in saving chu imodi hi na chu imedang jong hi pon 2 3 15/25 into 100 25 in 4 achele ale 60% increase in hi a saving chu 60% a kal tina hi chu answer itu tom question him ki dong nom ji na exam ana hiao hitin question hi tampi omini jong le kalhen do a question type dung je hi bol we na income based question ding consumption based na consumption revenue based revenue is equal to consumption revenue based on na ka ai hengil pitamo ai jong le ban sal mi hutin na so le ve hutin One question we get to in. Question here. To a price based question here. Oh. The question say to 25% reduction in the price. Enables a person to buy 10 kg more sugar for rupees 600 t na sorry जी कज़ी here expenditure consumption into price ये ना question ना गिदों sorry it's a question say जो ये 25% price ही हिस्सू एती है ना 25% जो इन here है ना 1/4 है ना fraction आई convert ले ये जो suppose 4 जो original है ताई ना जी और अनु पे ने original तीव है ना original value original price जो जी price है price जो 4 ले reduction में ना 4 अको ना 3 जी है ना अले quantity or consumption ना consumption or quantity जी quantity होती है quantity or consumption की बंग है इज़ार consumption जो in terms of quantity होती है अले जी quantity जो ये reciprocal दे जो है 4 3 है जो है अनु 3 होंगी जो है 4 होंगी ना I don't let in young net here. Is to ratio कोई ले है ना ratio. अजी जो जब question दूँगी आई E is equal to QP इतनी ना Q into P is equal to something जो ना P हम ये लो अले Q equal to something by P in yeah true if Q is 4/3 P to is at midam P ilanan potole G 4/3 ilang anu ilang G sule P is equal to something by 4/3 mudina Pichu ima chayong hello 3/4 mudi P to 3/4 it's ma banga chu it's a ratio है कितुम के लिए है ratio के लिए दिन तीना है अल quantity to 3/4 आहूँ दिन price 4/3 ले ये चू है जो है quantity ही काले है ना 3 अकोना 4 इज़ा ना कलम +1 unit 1 unit ना कल तीना है ना 1 unit ना कल चू अकोशन दूँगी यहाँ चू 1 unit PN चू 10 kg आती है 10 kg अच्छो बेहतर है ना 10 kg for is that 600 rupees ना अहिले चुबाको नहीं चुबाको सिन दो सु reduce price per kg आती है ना अहिले जी एरिया ही each area hi original pen hin chi new na ongi khela pa na chi new hai na new expenditure hai na chi pen hi e1 ti the chi e2 na ti the hai na belam ta hin ta ma chu hin tin ai le 600 jakob mana chu ma hin ke ji so ma cho be the ti na hi na ale to question do reduce price per kg ain a reduce na pen chu na ai le ichwa quantity hi za nam ti le ma hin quantity hi chwa hi a reduce na pen ai 4 hi na unit hi 4 ya chu 4 multiply le 4 into 1 chu 40 hung hi 40 kg ai le 4 hung din ale 600 by 4 hung di answer chu 4 1 is 4 4 5 20 15 rupees per kg hung di ya answer 15 rupees per kg chu hi ali chi ne them ding king chan na aban chal jing hute na hello ho chun tha ve jing me lon na iti ti hung po nam ti hong to chu na ve le hen ting le ang khat ina ne kha knowledge su I ne thei dol lo jong le ning do the hen na comment ho ve la nang comment the ve lo le chu hin tin na ban cha ki the question ban na question ban hi chong hi price related question hi kita nahi ichwa question hi le oya tun ki bong hin na I had not de hin jong le oza ambana chu ne khat question concept het ha din da jong le chwa hi question na mat the yong le pha hin na ne value chwa hi question na hi a price decrease hai ti so 20% chu ja 1/5 fraction na le original pen chu 5 ile and decrease na pen chu 4 ngi di na khana hong decrease ai 1/5 ya chu achunga pen 1 na chu e minus ai na 5 chu ji chu here price ale quantity or consumption chu aja ga saitan jiwa 5 4 ai la no 4 5 hong di na chu kil he di na chu hintin ale izana kalam quantity hi +1 hi na ale 1 unit chu quantity of 1 unit chu 2 kg muta na quantity of 2 kg 1 unit muta bin ile to hi ama hen PSM tile find the original and present price ati na original to final price ti hin na do chu aile to hi en holo de quantity original quantity chu 4 into 2 kg na 4 ye chu unit khana hi 2 kg le 4 unit asu 4 into 2 kg hiding ai chu imdang lo 8 kg hiding aile sima banga chu 360 by 8 na rupees price here oh jisu 4832 isana chita them 4428 4936 90 92 11 45 achi here oh 5840 okay 45 rupees per kg ding chi original ending to and present quantity chu is at a time till 5 quantity na 5 unit na chi pen 5 into 2 kg chu 10 kg din na 10 kg ale 360 chu 10 kg divide lehen 36 kg rupees per kg moe ale answer yi mo to tabin original rupees per kg rate chu 45 eating then abana present pen chu 36 eating hai chu hintin 111 ale banu sarket mitin la to hai question hai type chom ki ta hai oh whether you ne ve vin lam a man multiplied number by 7 by 4 instead of 3 by 5 ati hai na number khat omen x ti taute is 2 7 by 4 and multiply kha hin dita chu x into 3 by 5 multiply di hin na ale find the percentage change number has is at ki khiam na ti chu hold de na ti hin ale ji question hota bang hi vede hen abai pena chu anuya pen na denominator pen 5 in khali 4 in na inchi 4 and 5 LCM chu 4 5 20 20 is na 20 multiply le na 20 ani ne 20 multiply la shit nam lo he 20 nam multiply le chiwai 5 heading chiwai 4 heading ale chiwai 35 heading chiwai 12 heading ale chiwai khana 35 namun khana 12 namun na ale a difference na lo de is your percentage change do ja chu 3 and g 312 ale 23 by original pen chu jan ham 3 by 5 12 in na into 100 ale ji chu chwa kona na khot the ta na answer chu chu hintin chi hi neu khat calculation chu neu khat a je chu ki divide thei pon izong le calculation ga bol me tu na 4 divide 4 to 25 heading to by 4 3 heading 25 to 23 so multiply 11 by 15 3 to 6 5 10 16 17 1 carry 4 5 575 feet 3 and by na 3 1 is 3 3 9 27 5 1 ale 191 2 by 3% mo na jisu answer hi na ale ki ba na na char ki tin question ban question hi ni khat leng di in asim ha zemin izong le minute khat tabang minute lo mi second som tabang na pe ving na no min na sim bo le na sim chai ding ka kine min chi question hi ni pi do tam de student khat min na student khat min mahin exam mahin 32.2% amu he na ale mark som ni le get na fail he student 1 ti taute student 2 in 45% marks amu na ale mark som thum ne ma pass he chwa hi minimum marks na pass mark hold do ni ti he jo to mon question hi a kho dan khat min bai ta second nga som lu ding na chu ikil diu hin na ala ni ve autin student 1 ti taute 32.2% so hi minus 20 here na and student 2 45% so here plus 36 ale aya thina ding in ne khat visualization ne khat gal bol if din na ji a pass mark taute pass mark hi 10 ti taute student khat in 5 mark 5 amu cho le minus 5 a lom student khat in plus 7 mu cho 17 amu cho le plus 7 a kal a difference is 10 in go ble total 10 na go tong ki bang di he na okay. 64 marks is 10 ni amu zat difference so he na chu hin ai wang a percentage ong hi te na minus ni 45 amun khana 32.2% amun na le chi minus le hen 12.8% he na ale so ko na imu do chu 12.8% hi 64 marks tina he na ale 1% so isa ante isa ni ding sima banga chu 100% full marks so isa ante so ko na full marks mu the ve na evang question hen do chu find the minimum marks required to pass at na pass mark do hen na ya chu to ai full marks a holo dan khanang ka sei do tan I don le chu ai full marks do lo je in full marks zaw da bun chi delete khaw tin chuwa hi 12.8% ahin 64 marks ahile 1% achu 64 by 12.8 hi de na 1% a 64 by 12.8 chu is ante de point na do le 10 chilanga chi di na 10 chilanga chi le 64 21 chi the 2 24 25 5 na mu di na 1% to 5 marks na ale azo student 2 hin ve 11 45% mu na ale 45% marks at the into 5 is 1% of 5 ile 45% into 5 heading ahead na 222 ahead na amanu mu he ale 222 marks hi pass marks sang 36 marks na tamzo ati so ile minus na ball di na 36 so 5 okay chiba 9 hu heading na minus le 189 moving here 9 plus 15 19 11 12 okay 189 moving chu in chima banga chu a question dung je 8 percentage do je na a marks 189 marks chu 5 marks chu 1% ile 1 marks 1 by 5% idi na sima banga chu 189 marks chu 1 by 5 into 189% idi he chuwa kona 189 chu 5 by divide hin na 5 3 15 5 7 35 le chuwa kona answer chu 37 4 by 5% here na 37 4 by 5% chu a pass mark here ele an ban an chal ki mitin to ai commission based question hi commission a company gives 12% commission to its salesmen on total sales ek sale chwala 12% apet hi and 1% bonus amu hai above 15,000 sales na if the salesman deposit rupees 50,350 after deducting his earning from total sales find total sales at the jo chom khat minute sorry then second somni the bang ne ve bo ale ve taw hitin question hin question ni ha devin na izon le heading an go hitin na abai the pen so chom pena kan khon go de question na se chu 12% umdi hai na, for every 15,000 sales, and additional 1% plus hai na, sorry, 15,000 plus ile 1% extra bonus amudi hai na. Alechwa hi amahin a deposit hi 52,350 earning ho minus wa hi zat amu hi zat hi ikhadi na. That means a total sales zat chu hi zat hi tina hi na 52,350 sales hi zat hi sorry ama a question ini quite confusing na is only ni hetem go itin sorry hi na total sales akona chu ama earning chu an minus le hi zat hi deposit e zo eti he na, so I total sales is zat hi diham ati a question hin na. Ale hita bang question ahin bonus pen percentage you hold on sa na 1% bonus of 15,000 chu 1 by 100 into 15,000 chu imandang yong hai pon 150 de na 1% bonus chu 150 hai na ile a bonus so I here dikhot nu chu 52,000 chu more than 15,000 hi tai na ile chwa hi ama hin bonus chu muni mun thima mu he kati na ile 13% mun khat 13% mu tai taute 12% plus 1% bonus na ile le to hi ama hin izat he mu tai ti we 52,350 ichi hi a deposit he na chwala hin 1% 150 chi hi minus lew hen ichi hi earning na 13% la chu aman earning pen 1% pen chu in minus we na chwa ko na chu yon a total tileng a deposit na after deducting earning pen chu imu de we na chwa ko na he chi ding hin ale to hi a question dung zia hi man I khot dung zia 13% deduct zo wa hi ama hin hi zat hi anai he na hi zat hi a sales to ama earning to combine as hi zat hi he that means 100 la jo 30% minus le hen 87 na mo na ai le 87% of x the total sales na x total sales ai la le chu 52,200 idi so ko na so x chu 52,200 divided by 87 mide into 100 na ale 8 divide theam 766 an che the na 742 48 ile 60,000 mo al answer chu imandang jang hi pon 60,000 hi answer hi aman total sales mu do za chu 60,000 in chuwa ko na chu aman earning earning pen hi deduct le is that 52,350 chu mo hi sales ele ban chal ki tin na question dang tu nei tam solve lo di win question som ta bang solve wi tin na ha deu hong ki dong di exam a ki dong nom ho bun ka solve fi ho ban hi population question hai na population of a town needs second som ni the one we when lang question chu no min yana ki holim kin te ale ban chal ke tin na question hi population base hai na population of town is 20%. If it increases by 20%, 20,000, it increases by 20% during the first year. During the second year, it decreases by 10% and increases by 30% in the third year. What will the population be after 3 years? 20,000 original population in after first year is that 20%. Bana second year to 10% decrease. Bana third year to 30% increase hai na. Ichi question is successive increase decrease to chi concept ma chui solve ke thei hin na. Successive decrease increase equation hin na e chu plus 20 minus 10 amas pen x plus y plus xy by 100 formula mangle wen na minus 200 by 100 10 minus 2 chu 8 hin na amas pen 10 ya hi 8% hi na overall 8% to 30% plus 30% ichi formula na apply ki di na 38 plus 30 into 8 to 24 by 100 ending 2.4 mi di na 8 19 40.4 di bona total a final resultant population increase 40.4% of 20% di na ji di na 2% la do 100 bol hen in by 10 ki 20 404 into 20 di oh itu 8080 hindi na itu ye total 20,000 plus 8 ki lehen 8080 chu 28,080 idi oh Chi a khot dan khat len na formula manga to hi ban ratio fraction manga hi khot ki diu hin na bailam khat ve ki tin 20% in PCM 20% chu mendang jong lo 1 by 5 yen na bana 10% chu 1 by 10 bana 30% chu 3 by 10 na ale to hi original and final diutin na chua hi increase and chua decrease and chua increase and na ale original pen chu 5 feeding na ama se pen chi 1 by 5 ai ve ni ong 5 feeding increase at 6 ngi di final na abana second na chu 10% na hin 10 ngi ding a minus ya chu 10 minus 1 ngi di na 1 by 10 na chu 10 minus 1 ngi ding 9 ngi di na abana second na chu increase ya na original 10 gi ding plus 3 le 13 ngi di oh geo se hi multiply di hai na multiply di 500 is to 15 plus 419 20 702 है ना जी original population है जी final population है ना तीना है ओ अले 500 original ही 20,000 ये तीसरा question है ना अले 702 जो 20,000 divided by 500 जी होंगे दानी ने अपन shortcut दे shortcut वाले ने है था दिन ना 500 जो 20,000 ही ले 1 जो 1 value जो 20,000 by 500 दिया ना अहिले बाना final value जो 702 है ना जो 1 into 702 के लिए जलंग जोंग ना multiply दिया ना अलग अलग 500 into 702 अहिले जो ही 5000 नि cancel दिन 5 आजू 5 4 20 40 अहिले आंसर जो 702 into 4 ना मुथो तो है ज़्यादा जो ना ज़्यादा जो 20,080 मु है ना तो आजों ही 20,080 जब ही फ्रैक्शन जी भी हम इवेट ले ताई खोट ले ने खोट गंग जो है ना जो ऐसा माचू तो जो फॉर्मूला मुनिया की अप्लाई जाचू ना जी ही ने खोट गंग जो है जो कंसेंट ओमिंटन अहिले अब आने जाल के रूटीन क्वेश्चन अहिले क्वेश्चन बनने वे के रूटीन इलेक्शन है इलेक्शन क्वेश्चन है ना जी अले क्वेश्चन है इलेक्शन तो किसे है ना जो है in a value hen in an election 10% voters did not participate in an election, and 1000 votes are found invalid at the end. The winner gets 68% of the total voting list, and he won by 56,400 votes. Find the votes polled in favor of losing candidates. Losing parts on votes is at a one. Hold up in a tea, na. Question pan may have been 100,000 on massage in I must pay now total votes to 100,000. 10% to 10% to pang low so na vote as so ako 100 la so 10% chun la do le 90 bom hintai na 90 omin Jawala hai sang le jani votes are found invalid at ticket here na Jawala hi winner pa hin winner and loser na winner chun 68% total votes Jawala hai 68% chu 68 ngui di hai na 68 amu hai na 68 to 90 minus 68 so is ante 8 and 3 22 hi de na 22 hi ding loser pa hin 22 units tapong ei khat hin na chiteni difference 68 to 22 to whole 11 46 unit hin na 46 unit to 56400 votes 56400 votes 56400 56400 chisu ahin na chấm thật hồn khoai ta điều lắm plus rồi point na minus rồi đi sorry 46 unit here 564 minus 1200 votes invalid ahin na chiwa hin chiong hi minus tha di na chila hai minus leo hin 2 imu diu 5 200 46 unit si isa hi to ki bang hi na H 46 unit unit kha chu isa ante dem 55 200 by 46 na 46 sitting hin 46 unit ending hin bana chu 22 units vel hin 55 200 by 46 into 22 is 22 hi loser pan na ajar ka na mana mu hin na 7 undivided the na sorry 7 undivided 7 8.6 2 undivided and 2 over 2 3 6 2 11 23 by 23 chuna divide di na 552 chu 552 23 divide len 2 2 3 6 2 2 4 hin na 15 la so 6 na do le is at 9 hin na 92 3 3 na do 3 6 18 3 4 12 2 8 9 24 2400 into 100 na mo in hai well 24 to 11 to multiply kill la hen 264 26,400 chu answer hi na chu answer hi chu hintin na ne khat complex devin hi jong le ahil dan jong ne khat je min chi question ho to hi normal approach ai chelen chi asawa sounding ni ne na ya chu chompen trick to manga kan bol hin na jong le ne khat ne te jong na pha hin ne te lo jong na kho lo question hi high level ta na le tisu aban question khat na ve ki tin final question last final 60 liters of solution a vessel chun 60 liter nei hin acid and water eighty is to 20 na ichi 2 4 na 4 is to 1 ratio hi acid to water ichi solution hi so here question do hi how much water be added to it to make it a solution in which acid form 60%. Ale chota bang question hi ne khat pa concept hi het bol ba basic na je mixture question hi na mixture and allegation topic hin jong the percentage antonia khat ki sai ja ki bol hin na ale amas pe na 60 liter hin na chi pia vessel hi chi ja hi acid on water ratio 4:1 moving and chwa 4:1 hin 4:1 hi 60% ratio 60:40 3:2 ratio 3:2 ratio 2 is at yet ngai dam ati hin na 3:2 ratio mun li nga chu na ale choice initial na initial ratio is 4:1 hin final ratio chu 3:2 ti taw de na 3:2 3:2 hin na ale chwa hi acid content hi ki bang de constant hi de na constant hindi aje chu water bo kiet hin na tui bo kiet hin na chuwa hi acid pa hi ki khel lo hi ai le acid pa ratio hi ki bang di tina hin na le chu ki ba na dinga hi achung pa hi 3 na multiply ding noi pa hi 4 na multiply di hi na ai le new ratio chu achunga pen pa hi 412 is to 3 and CPN hi 12 is to 8 hingdi ale acid pen hi 12 hong ta na bana 3 to 8 hi di ale water hi value is an column plus 5 value a na ale plus 5 mutavin ale to hi event ding chu initial ratio hi 12 to 3 na that means 15 hi 60 liter to ki bang na ale 1 unit chu 60 by 15 na 4 id 4 liter to ki bang ti na hi na 4 liter to ki bang ai le chwa hi water hi 5 unit na ka le 5 unit chu 20 liter mu di na 20 liters na 20 liters tui kian jo ai final ratio is 3 is to 4 tina hi chi answer chu 20 liter di ai le chen chun ngam din tu ni dingin avezo se chen chun ki video in chai ka ki pai